Hello, everyone. My name is Victor Monga. I'm serving as president of ISACA Orange County chapter. Today we have Mr. Michael Marriott with us, who is Senior Product Manager at Digital Shadows. Michael?
Hi, Victor. How are you today?
Good, not bad. So I heard that you're going to be speaking at Webster University, hosted by ISACA Orange County chapter on January 23rd.
Yes,
About some dark web workshop. So tell us about that workshop and what you're going to be talking about.
indeed. Yeah. So obviously the dark web has been quite a big hot topic in the last year or so. There's been a lot going on and lots of people are interested in what's going on in that space. Now, unfortunately, there's quite a few high barriers to entry and lots of people don't really know whether there's actual value you can get out of it. So this is a session really to give people hands-on access to dark websites, criminal forums, give them some questions, they've got a quiz, and they'll be able to go through and actually see what the dark web is like live, get safe access to all of these different locations, and then maybe there'll be a winner at the end in with a shot of winning a prize.
Nice. So during this workshop, would I be able to access some sort of platform portal where I would actually search, or how does that work out? Is that a
Yes, yeah. So for our clients, we have a cloud-based platform, and for this event, we've got some accounts that all of the attendees will be able to actually access a free version of that. It's a full version, and we're giving it to the attendees for free for this day. So it's the live information from the dark web, and they'll be able to log on to that. So bring laptops or iPads or other tablets, and you'll be able to gain access to our portal and search across all of those cool sources.
All right, all of you heard him. So for that one day, we will have full access to search anything we want in dark web.
It's just a really good opportunity to kind of demystify what the dark web is all about. I think there's a bit too much mystery around it, and that tends to put people off. At Digital Shadows, we do a lot more than just dark web, kind of open or surface web as well, and there's risks all across the internet. So really trying to shine a light on what dark web means and what the use cases are around there. I think it could be a useful session for people.
Awesome. All right. Well, we all look forward to it. And for those who have not registered yet, there's a register here link on the screen. Please go ahead and register yourself so that you can come and join Michael Marriott from Digital Shadows for this session called Dark Web Workshop. Thank you very much.
All right. Thanks for having me.